In ADS Pilot, the integration of bus provides for an enhanced functionality in terms of application lifecycle management. The bus enables for automatic and rapid service deployment of the ADS vertical service in the field. Apart from that, the bus also allows for the deployment of this vertical service in multiple different regions simultaneously. Here, we can see the other regions of the Industry 4.0 use case under the bus. The integration of bus also simplifies the deployment aspect of ADS Pilot greatly. The bus acts as a common user interface that is compatible across different resource orchestrators, while also simplifying the descriptor file used to deploy a system consisting of multiple modules. Taking as an example, the Eagle Eye system in ADS use case 2, in particular, Eagle Eye system is used to perform person in need of help or PIH detection and localization. Eagle Eye system itself consists of multiple different modules, each of which is designed to perform a specific task in the PIH detection and localization pipeline. In total, Eagle Eye has 5 modules that needs to be deployed to make up a complete system. Most of the modules only need a single copy to be deployed. But in the case of the dual object detection module, it requires for 3 copies to run in parallel to guarantee for real-time processing of incoming data. Originally, without the bus, the vertical service operator will need to prepare for the deployment file manually for each of the modules in the system. This means at least 7 deployment files will need to be prepared. Adding to the complexity is that the preparation of these deployment files often requires for a highly skilled operator in the field. With the bus, the vertical needs only to prepare a single vertical service descriptor or VSD file for the automatic deployment of the Eagle Eye system. This VSD is a simplified version of the multiple separate deployment files that we originally used, making the need to have a skilled operator in the field optional. Before we dive into the deployment workflow with the bus, we will first briefly describe about the setup that we will be using. In our setup, we have an instance of the bus running at 5tonic Lab in Spain. The bus instance here is connected via a VPN connection to the Optun's Edge data center that is located inside NCTU campus in Taiwan. The Edge in NCTU campus will be the target deployment region of the Eagle Eye system for the ADS Pilot. Here, the bus remotely controls and performs automatic lifecycle management of the Eagle Eye system. Now, we will show the deployment workflow of Eagle Eye system with the bus. First, after logging into the bus web view, a vertical operator creates a new vertical service. During this process, the vertical operator enters the descriptor of their system deployment. This effectively creates a vertical service blueprint or VSD, which contains a template of the Eagle Eye vertical service. The VSB for the vertical service will be stored in the blueprint catalog. Second, the operator configures the VSB in order to create a deployable instance of its service. The configuration parameters are assigned values to customize the current deployment. Once done, the bus generates a VSD, a descriptor containing all the necessary information to deploy the Eagle Eye vertical service. Third, once the vertical service is created, the service will be deployed at the target region. We can check the deployment status of the vertical service in the bus web view. The deployment time will vary based on whether the necessary containers for the modules are available locally or whether they need to be downloaded from a remote storage. And finally, once all of the modules have been deployed, the vertical service is ready for mission. Here, we show Eagle Eye, performing PIH detection and localization with the modules deployed by the bus running at the edge. We can also see that we detect and locate for PIH from the drone surveillance video. This concludes the ADS Pilot Bus demo video. This demo is to showcase the collaborative effort between partners from the European Union and Taiwan. Together, We aim at proving the technical merits and business value proposition of 5G technologies in Autonomous Drone Scout or ADS vertical pilot.